The back wall is the first panel to install. This panel needs to fit as close as possible into both the left and right corners of the back wall and snugly to the bathtub or shower base. Keep in mind that the walls may not be square or plumb, so you'll need a series of measurements to achieve a nice fit. A great method is to draw a level line halfway up on your back wall, then draw a plumb line in the center of the back wall. These two lines represent measuring points. Measure the distance from center plumb line to the right corner in 3 spots, top, middle, and bottom of wall, and repeat these measurements on the left side of the plumb line. This gives you 6 measurements. Then transfer these measurements to your panel for marking and cutting. A foolproof method of transferring these measurements is to draw it out as shown. Once you've marked the inside measurement of your back wall, you can then mark and cut off the unneeded portion. Cutting off the excess on the left and right of the panel will provide an accurate fit. When making marks on the panel in preparation for cutting, you may use a fine-tip Sharpie. This shows up well and is easily removed with denatured alcohol. Now you are ready to take vertical measurements. From your center horizontal line, you will once again need 3 measurements: left, center, and right. Transfer these measurements to the panel as you did with the other measurements. Cut your panel according to the marked lines. Since the top of this panel will be covered with a trim piece, it is not necessary to mark or cut the top. Dry fit the panel, and when satisfied with the fit, it is time to install the panel.